Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she's just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Whoever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Igama lami uzuzu wakwangobo to those that are new here, and to my returning subscribers, my number one guys and girlies, welcome back guys to yet another vlog. I know it's been a minute, trust me, I know, but yeah, 2026 I hope brings joy, happiness, prosperity, health, wealth, and so many beautiful things in abundance. And we passed it, guys. You left, and you know, I had my personal reasons. I call that deep, but and I had
to prioritize certain things. And yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys had a lovely Christmas and a happy new year. So at this point we are saying compliments, of the new season, and I hope you guys have a splendid and prosperous year. But yeah guys, this video is short. Today is what? It's the 29th of December 2025. You've already seen this year. What we're not doing is repeating things that you've already seen and telling you ukuthi sengenze 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, but ke sengibonile senzeni. And yeah, let's see what this vlog has in store for us. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy it, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Okwamanje, just got home and ngifuna ukwenza isiphuzo, like a young mimosa. I think the mimosa spirits that I had in mimosa activated that holiday spirit. So let me make that, and yeah, and chill. Hey guys, it's the next day, the 30th of December, and currently cooking dinner for the 3 of us. It's about 3 now, and I'm just going to make this and grill some chicken. Yeah, there is uputu that's left over fridge, so that's what we're gonna have for dinner, because tomorrow we'll obviously be having a bride. So I'm thinking of just making one tin so that we don't have ichakalaka selexasa, because I'll do a proper one kusasa kuseni. Yeah, let me show you oven with what's going on, and show you what I've started a panini for the chakalaka. Guys, okay, I was about to show you what I'm making, but it seems like I might have to make chakalaka enough for tomorrow, because hubby thinks it's best to fry today. Luckily, inyama ngidefrostile emini. By inyama I mean beef. So I'm just gonna use this, and I guess I'm gonna also use this, but some marinated beef. Okay, so what I can do is use. Hey, oh yeah, I'll use this one. So I'll use this and this, maybe a little bit of this to marinate the beef. But yeah, each chicken is grilling in the in the oven. Guys, it's the festive season. And then I'll make that. The chicken is grilling in the oven. Khona ngiyisengiyikhiphile ngizama ukuyi-defrost ezokwazi ukuyongena ebrayini. So yeah, I guess we'll have that. Let me just show you that chicken because yeah. Okay, so now chicken this is actually meant to be tonight's dinner for the three of us, but unfortunately or fortunately it's no longer going to be the case. Okay, so just edit this, and now I'm going to this. I'll also add this, just when you extra, I'm extra like this. The entire batch of beef and keep on coating as we go along. Guys, this beef is for 2 people. I mean, even if it was either namhlanje nakusasa and on the 1st, personally I feel like it's a lot. Yes, a lot. Let me remove this and put you guys back here, and then yeah, just add in a little bit of this spice, and then yeah. Woo. Then I'll leave this on the side so that when hubby comes home it's already marinated and ready to go to the grill. Yeah, but yeah, this makes things easy. But yeah, this will make things easy for tomorrow, because the only thing I need to focus on tomorrow is the peperoncino. Yeah, no need for me to cook. I've already bought garlic rolls. Yeah, probably make ushadi salsa, and yeah, I don't want to add too much. I mean, I don't want to add too much. I don't want to add too much seasoning. Hubby can do that on his own when he comes back. For now, we've closed. Indicious marinated like yona, and then we're just gonna carry on with the chakalaka. Hey guys, I actually realized, Guti, I did not talk to you after coming back from the mall. I don't even think I spoke to you prior to that. I last spoke to you yesterday. I was cutting pega, but today is the focus girl. I'm not sure if you can see the date. Why is it unlocked? Let me see. Yeah, now you can. You actually could. So yeah, guys, today is the 31st of December, and I just wanted to say Happy New Year. Cheers. And I did mention yesterday, I did actually give my well wishes to you guys, Izolo. And yeah, I just came on here because I realized ukuthi emva kokuthi siya mall angizange ngibuye ngikhulume nani, or angizange ngisakhuluma nani or show you that we are coming back from a mall. Currently it's 19:18, so 18 minutes past 7. I'm home alone. I've just had bride meat, and yeah, and currently having beveragino. I don't think we've had a vlog where ngibhizi ne-beveragino ngale ndlela esibhizi ngayo kule vlog. But yeah, uyaqala umhla ka-1 and we're going on a Daniel fast. From the 5th, I usually join Lay Wisdom and Wellness that starts. Last year it started on the 6th. This year it's starting on the 5th of January. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to not to give you a life update. The most important thing, or the biggest thing that has happened in 2025 was me getting married. So yeah, I'm officially married. Got married on the 14th of December 2025. It was a traditional wedding slash, it was not a white wedding per se, but we first had a traditional wedding where sayisgcawini kwabanephoyisa and then later on the day we had umfundisi who officiated our wedding and our marriage, and yeah, we got married. So basically that's like the biggest thing that happened in 2025, and I'm really happy that we finally did it. It's been long overdue, to an extent that Ama Speak has really focused on the fact that we've been wanting, we've been waiting, we've been, but yeah, finally we are here now. And yeah, Mr. and Mrs. Kambule, I will maintain my name and surname on the socials just to not get things mixed up, but I'm officially a Mrs. So that's like the one big announcement, or the one big live update that I wanted to give to you guys. And that's not the reason why I took a break from YouTube. I took a break from YouTube solely because work was overwhelming. There was a lot of things happening emsebenzini, and after June, the load and the amount of work that kept on coming was just too much for me to focus on my side thing. So to an extent that I realized, but in order for me to complete my work and be ready for the next week, I had to work full 7 days. Not because my contract says I must work for 7 days, but because mina ngumuntu who takes initiative, and I'm one person oyibuka into yakhe and enze sure ukuthi they step ahead. So umsebenzi last year was a lot, and I've been away from work for a month now. My leave started on the 1st of December, and today is the 31st of December. So I've been away from work for a month now, and I'm officially going back next week, Monday. But yeah, so work starts. I'm not sure if we'll hit the ground running, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to be consistent on YouTube as much as I would like to be consistent. But all I'm asking you, as it is the beginning of the year, I'm asking you guys to bear with me and to know that I want to give you guys content. I want to do vlogs. I want to do fashion videos. Most importantly, I want to do fashion videos because that's my thing. that's I like dressing up, and not even I love dressing up, and I feel like sometimes we lack that part, and it's simply because lifestyle is easy, because I can just show you guys my day-to-day stuff. But my fashion content sort of takes a backseat, and in 2026 hopefully I'll be able to showcase that part, but that will only be determined by the pressure yasemsebenzini, because obviously umshado is at the way, we've did the thing. So now we just, but yeah guys, thank you so much for your love, support to Sihle and Tula Joyce. Those two girlies have like supported me through and through. Like if there are girls that kubona kuthiwa bengasukhetha abangani baka social media, it will be those two girls, because wow, they keep me going. So nje, I hope, and not to say I don't see the rest of you guys, but it's because when you guys are quiet, those are the two girls that would say to me, "Siceli content, yabo." So I'm hoping and I'm hopeful for 2026, and I'm hoping that it'll bring more content, more happiness, more joy, more beautiful things. And guys, I like the fact that we are such a respectful community, and I'd like for us to keep that. And ngifuna nazi ukuthi even when I'm away from the YouTube space, but I'm really and truly thinking of you. All I can say for now is Happy New Year's. I've been talking for 7 minutes, and I'm not gonna take it to 8 minutes. So Happy New Year to you and your families. Cheers, and I hope you have a wonderful 2026 and the years beyond, from us to yours. Cheers.